EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martichow with your outlook for March 10th, 2020. So we're going to have some shower activity moving through the region today, but it is going to remain on the mild side. Not quite as warm as it was yesterday. It was very impressively warm, with many locations getting to 70 degrees or above. So a very nice day yesterday with mostly sunny skies and warm temperatures. Today's going to be mild, and if it wasn't for that day yesterday, you would think that this was a really warm day for this time of year, because the normal highs are still in the upper 40s to near 50, and we're going to be in the generally lower 60s today across the region. Maybe a little cooler further north, but it looks like low to mid 60s elsewhere. And but we'll have showers, clouds and showers with this cold front moving through. Now, this cold front is not going to have a very cold air push behind this. This is going to drop a little bit, but there's no real cold air behind this cold front. So it will drop temperatures from today to Wednesday a little bit, but nothing substantial. And then the remainder of the week should remain on the mild side as well. So moving this forward, we're going to have these light shower activity that's going to be continuing during the day today and should wrap up for most places by mid-evening, if not before. So this is not going to be an all-day thing. It'll be light and intermittent, meaning it's not going to be the entire time. So here's looking at the NAM high-res future simulated radar. And again, these timestamps in the upper right-hand video of the video, this is what you can follow along with the time here. It is in 24-hour time. It is also universal time, so 12Z with the time change the other day means that you subtract 4 hours from what it's showing here. So 12Z is actually 8 a.m. Okay, so if you're just following along with the timestamp there, you can see what we're looking at. But starting off at 8 a.m., you have some shower activity moving across central Pennsylvania. Will work its way east. It's really going to come in two waves, and it's going to go through the course of the morning here for the first wave. So this is looking out at 15Z or 11 a.m. Here is noon, here is 1. So then you get a break in between here. And then there's going to be another wave come through with the actual front. But this is also just widely scattered showers that will take place later this afternoon and this evening, and we'll wrap up again by mid-evening in most places. But if you take the total quantitative precipitation, it's really not a lot. Most places are 1/10 of an inch or less. Might have a few spots that get maybe slightly over that, but I think most areas are generally on the lighter side with any rain showers expected today. So again, that moves away, and then we'll have partial clearing overnight once we get past midnight. So here's that system moving away, and then we get to Wednesday. We have a system that is kind of lurking here, but as we showed in the last couple of videos, that the trend has been for this to just disappear, and that's exactly what this is doing here. Okay, so we're not expecting any precipitation on Thursday night. Can't rule out a very stray shower, but I doubt it. So Wednesday night I think is okay. We'll call it partly to mostly cloudy with those clouds increasing, and then mostly cloudy overnight on Thursday night, or excuse me, on Wednesday night. Wednesday, by the way, is going to be about 5-6 degrees cooler than what it is today. So that's not a big cold air push behind that front. And then once we get past that, we are partly cloudy here on Thursday. Temperatures getting up here in and around the 60-degree mark on either side of 60. And then clouds are going to increase on Thursday night. We have another system coming in. This could produce a little bit more in the way of rain, at least more so than what we're going to see today. But some periods of rain with this that will be starting on Thursday night, and maybe even late evening already, and then it continues into at least Friday morning. Okay, and here's actually early afternoon as this system's starting to pull away. This is 18Z, so this is 2 p.m. Okay, and then you get later in the afternoon, it's pretty much gone. So we do clear out after that point on Friday. And then this weekend, this will have a little bit of a cold air push behind it. Not incredibly so, but a little bit more potent than the first one. So by the time we get to this weekend, we're talking about temperatures on either side of 50 degrees. So that's a little bit closer to normal for this time of year. But it does look like it's going to be dry now for this weekend, at least we're hoping so. Here's a look at Saturday, partly cloudy skies here on Saturday. Then this little wave is going to move around that boundary. That same cold front is going to be stalled south of the region. And along that boundary is going to be this wave here. But right now, as of now, it looks like it's going to stay south of the region. But it might result in an increase in clouds on Saturday night. And then once we get to Sunday, it remains south of the region. And we should return to partly cloudy skies. Now, Monday, a little piece of that might start coming up here and get us with a few showers as another little low develops along that frontal boundary. So we could get some showers by the time we get to Monday, at least later in the day. We will cross that bridge when we get there because this looks a little bit weird on the evolution, and I don't want to commit to that at this time. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marters. That is your outlook for March 10th, 2020. Have a great Tuesday.